But now it's time for the secret Samsung phone. And actually, maybe the most expensive Samsung phone ever made. Yeah, this isn't gonna work as a filming machine. No, my dragon! My next dragon! I killed it!
Oh, much better. So, you might have heard about Samsung Z Fold 4. It's already an insanely expensive phone at around $1,600, but it's not actually their best foldable. That award belongs to what is inside this crate. It's called the W23. It's only released in China because I guess the Chinese have taken more to foldables than the rest of the world has. And as I've come to learn, Samsung does not want anyone outside of China to get one. Can't even wedge it in there. You can try looking for it, it's genuinely impossible. We actually had to hire a middleman just to be able to get it to us, which made it even more expensive than the $2,580 that the base phone itself already costs. Let's try this side. You'll be relieved to know this is actually my first time using a crowbar. I think we're actually just gonna have to hack it. Oh, that worked. Whew. A little bit overkill for a smartphone. This is the kind of packaging you imagine shipping $1 million art piece over in. Good thing I just finished a fitness transformation. Oh, there we go. Me just now realizing there is a massive fragile sticker on the front. However, I believe our phone is safe. Beautiful packaging. Okay, let's get inside. Man, China's getting absolutely treated here. The Z Fold 4 literally comes in a standard flat pack, no charger box, and then you've got this. I can't find my knife, so I'm gonna open this with raw power. There we go. I wonder if in China it's still more of a special event to get a new phone compared to the West, where it's very procedural. Maybe that's why they spent so much effort dressing it up. This is like actually metal in the box. It splits in half to open. Oh, it even lifts the middle compartment up. Big insert here. No way. It comes with its own special black and gold case, matte finish, and it's actually got the stylus inside of it. Sorry, S Pen. What is this? Well, I'm not going to find out by reading these manuals. Got a SIM ejector tool and a USB-C cable. Samsung Care Plus. I wonder if that covers what we did to the delivery box. Ah, this is gorgeous. Let's just see if there's anything else at the bottom. Got a little insert. Final little box, which has, would you believe it, a charger. Time for a $2,580 peel. I'm enjoying every second of this. So they've swapped out the glass that used to be on the back for ceramic, which helps it get rid of its internal heat faster. This whole black and gold color scheme is meant to symbolize prosperity and power. I've just realized it's ribbed in the middle. For her pleasure?
Oh my
No?
god, that's too far.
That's too far. Not to mention that they've upped the RAM from 12 gigabytes on Samsung's best global foldable to 16 gigs here. The pen is super responsive, just like all of Samsung's recent devices. But I guess it feels especially good because it came included. Ooh, let's see how good the camera is.